Understanding Negative Influence, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and important phrase in the English language: negative influence. Understanding this phrase is crucial, not just for language learning, but also for navigating social interactions and media consumption. So, let's break it down together and make it as clear as possible. Negative influence refers to the impact or effect that is harmful or undesirable in some way. It can come from various sources, such as people, media, or the environment around us. When someone or something has a negative influence on us, it means they are affecting our thoughts, behaviors, or decisions in a way that is not good for our well-being or growth. To understand this concept better, let's look at some examples. Peer pressure, when friends or acquaintances encourage bad habits, like skipping school or trying harmful substances. Media, movies, TV shows, or social media platforms promoting unrealistic standards of beauty or success, leading to low self-esteem or anxiety. Family, sometimes, even family members can be a source of negative influence if they discourage positive actions or outlooks. Recognizing negative influences is the first step to minimizing their impact. Here are some signs: feeling pressured to act against your values, experiencing increased stress or anxiety from interactions with certain people or after consuming certain media, noticing a decline in mental or physical health due to your environment or relationships. Once identified, it's important to manage these influences effectively. Strategies include setting boundaries. Learn to say no or distance yourself from harmful relationships. Seeking positive influences. Surround yourself with people and media that uplift and inspire you. Self-reflection. Regularly assess your feelings and behaviors to ensure you're not being swayed negatively. Understanding and dealing with negative influence is a vital skill for personal development and happiness. We hope this video has shed light on what negative influence means and how you can address it in your life. Remember, you have the power to control the influences around you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content in the future.